Is your computer cluttered with outdated or old programs that don't seem to want to leave when you try to uninstall them? Or a program that somehow got installed just from browsing the internet and you don't know where it came from and you want to get rid of it and it's being stubborn about leaving? Well, I'm going to show you how to do it free and easy. My name is Paul. This is Computer Doctor Tech. So stay tuned and let's get started. Uninstalling a program is supposed to be easy through Windows, but even Windows sometimes has a hard time removing every trace of the software that you're trying to get rid of. You know, when you click Start, you go to Settings, you click on Apps, and then you click on Installed Apps, and you select the app you want, and you try to uninstall it. It claims it's uninstalling it, but it leaves a lot of traces behind, so therefore it's not really thoroughly uninstalled. I use a third-party tool which is totally free. Yes, they do have a premium to it, but I use the free version. And this free version is great. It lets you get rid of every trace of that software ever existing on your computer. Let's go to the computer and I'll show you what to do. The name of the program is called Revo Uninstaller. Let's download that and show you how to use it. So open a browser. I use Google Chrome. You could use Edge or Firefox or whatever you're comfortable with. And in the address bar, we are going to type in Revo Uninstaller, just like you see there on the screen. Press enter, and then you're going to click on this downloads button right here at the top. Now, as you see, they do have premium versions with a price tag, but we're going to use the free version, and we're going to scroll down and go to Free Portable. So click on the free download button right here under Free Portable, and it's going to just download very quickly. Then when it's finished downloading, of course, we've got to open it up. So click on the arrow, and here we have our program. We're going to click on that folder right there, and here we're going to right click it. We're going to go to Extract All and click Extract, and here we have our program folder. So now what we're going to do is just open it up and click on Revo Uport. This is the portable version. Click Yes. The nice thing about it is that it doesn't install. Now here, this is what this looks like. All your programs that you have on your computer will be listed here. Now I have an old outdated version of Microsoft Office. So I'm going to get rid of that to show you how this works. Microsoft Office right over here, as you can see, it's 2013, so it is on the outdated side. All I have to do is this, double click it. It's going to list everything that's associated with Microsoft Office. And all I'm going to do is click Yes. Now, here it's asking if you want to make a restore point. If you're going to uninstall more than one program, I recommend that you at least create the restore point on the first uninstall. After that, you could just take the check mark out. Now, I'm going to just take the check mark out because this is the only thing I'm going to uninstall. Then you click Continue, let it scan, and it will go through its own procedure to uninstall the program. Click Yes. Of any program will go through its own uninstaller. And as you can see, it's uninstalling, and don't worry about the blinking on the screen. That's normal for Revo to do that. Now, once it's done, just exit whatever prompts you have for that uninstalled version of the program, not Revo itself. Now here you're going to click on the advanced button right there and then click scan. This way it'll scan the rest of the computer for any traces of the program that did not get uninstalled. And as you can see, this is quite lengthy, especially for Microsoft Office, but it gets lengthy for a lot of big programs. Then you're going to just click Select All, click Delete. You're going to just click Yes. I'm going to select all again, click Delete. This is the rest of the traces. Click Yes, and it's done. And as you can see, Microsoft Office is out. It doesn't exist anymore on the computer. I'll just exit out Revo, and I'll just click out of there, and you see that these are blank. So if that happens, then you just have to highlight them. Just drag the mouse over it to highlight them all, put them in the recycle bin, right click the recycle bin, and empty the recycle bin, click yes, and it's gone. Now, Microsoft Office is no longer on my computer. Show you that, click all, go down to Microsoft Office is gone. So as you can see, it's easy, it's fast, and it's free. That's the best part of this program. Now, of course, there are premium paid versions of the same program, but there are advanced features in there that's only available in the paid version of it. Now, Revo Uninstaller, I hope I'm pronouncing it right to give credit where credit is due to the creator behind it. Revo or Revo, forgive me, and I apologize if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but there is a link in the description to go to his site and download the utility so you can use it free of charge. I hope this tip was helpful to you. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, click like. My name is Paul. This is Computer Doctor Tech. Thanks for watching.